Thanks for joining us today. It's finally springtime, time to plant, get the garden started, and think about all the work that you're going to be doing to keep the weeds out. And today we're going to cover how to prevent weeds before you have to deal with them. You can do it at the same time that you're planting. This is our garden here that we got planted yesterday. And what we're going to be using, it's a woven landscape fiber. It's a commercial grade, and I think this particular type has a 30-year warranty, but we can put an X across that. It ain't gonna last 30 years, but this will last normally about 3 or 4 years. And for our entire garden, we can cover it for less than $50, and then we'll use these to tack it down with. And then once we get it down, we can run our soaker hoses right on top of the fabric. Because of it being a fabric and being woven, it can breathe. You can use plastic on this. Plastic will work. You need to put some straw or something on top of plastic. Plastic has the tendency to heat up and takes the potential of cooking your roots. To me, another minus to the plastic is the water doesn't go through it unless you poke a bunch of holes in it, and then you get a bunch of holes in it. It does leave a spot that possible weed could come up through, and you don't have any of that problem with the landscape fabric. Also with the plastic, you have to run your soaker hoses underneath. But anyway, we're gonna get started on that, and then we'll come back and show you a little closer up video of it. Also, if you will stick around to the end, or somewhere in the middle, this morning when we checked, we're at 90 subscribers. Our first goal was 100 subscribers. When we reach that 100 subscribers, we're gonna have a giveaway. So if you'll stick with us to the end, or close to the end, we'll tell you more about that. Okay, that's about as far as we can go. We run out of our pins. We got to get some more pins. And there's a little tomato here. It's got to be replaced. Somebody stepped on it and broke the top out of it, but we won't call no names, will we, Vicky?
Showing me?
But anyway, that's all it is to it. It doesn't take that long. It's faster than going up to the middles one time. And then if you have some older cloth from years past, you can actually put little strips right down the center. But anyway, our giveaway, as I was talking about, we wanted to make it to 100 subscribers. Don't sound like a lot, but the majority of the YouTube videos never get to 100 subscribers. So that is a small milestone, and that was our first goal. And we need 10 more to make it there. And once we make it to those 10 subscribers, we're gonna get a prepaid debit card or prepaid credit card for $25. And when we make it to those 100 subscribers, we'll do another video just on the giveaway, letting y'all know that we made it to our goal. And then the comments and all of that is where we'll go through a random comment selector, and that's how we'll choose it. And then we announce that, and you will send us a email of your address and everything of where to be sent to, and we will send you that free of charge. So I appreciate you for joining us. A little later in the year, we'll come back and give you another view of this, and we may, over here somewhere, we may even leave a strip out to give you a side-by-side comparison of how well it does do. But I appreciate you for joining us. I know this is a little longer than some of our other videos and stuff, but a little bit of time now can save you a whole bunch of time later, especially when it gets extremely hot. And that's when you want to sit in the house under the AC sipping on the lemonade. But I appreciate you for joining us. If you hadn't already, like I always say, give us a thumbs up, share our videos, leave us comments, and we thank you for joining us.